Welcome everyone, I'm China Utah Fly Vision. Let's tie a fly. Got olive thread here. Just gonna wrap it back to the barb. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Got some grizzly hackle here, dry fly. Just measuring the tails. I like the tails to be a little long on this fly. Actually, all my dry flies I like long tails on. I'll just catch that in. And thanks for watching, guys. Okay, now I'm just gonna snip the butts here. Get these guys trimmed. Just the lengths of the body. Now for the body, on the blue crush, it's blue fly fritz. Just gonna tie that in. It's a bit fiddly with the hackle butts, but just wrap that in. Good, tied in good. Now I'm just gonna wind the body. Just make nice, evenly spaced, open turns. Don't want too crowded, but not too open. Just bring it up, catch it in into thread, tie it off. Let's snip the excess out of the way. Now I got a grizzly hackle, dry fly hackle. Just gonna pull back. I'm gonna snip that off. We'll pull back to the hackles. I'm gonna snip the hackles like this, so that way I get barbs to tie it on with. Now I'm just gonna measure it. I'm doing a hackle stacker here, so we wanna tie it in up towards the eye, and then wrap it back towards the thorax here. And I'm just checking my lengths. And that's about good right there. And then now I'm just gonna make a loop of thread here. Bring that down, tie in my loop. Sure that's locked in. Now I'm gonna dub on some super fine dubbing and Adams gray. Just gonna dub it on this thread. You got, thanks for watching, guys. Let's dub that on, and we'll just wrap the dubbing on. And now we got that. Now what we're going to do is put your finger in the thread. Got my finger in there. And now I'm just going to wrap the hackle with my hand and my other finger, my finger and thumb there. Let's wrap it right around the thread, touching turns going up the thread. I'm going to zoom the camera back in here so you can see what exactly is going on. I'm just going to quickly wrap this hackle around the thread. Just take your time. And that's good to check, because we're going to pull that over. So right there I checked it and it's good. So now I'm going to just start winding down through the hackle we wound up till we get down to the bottom. Now we got a nice amount of hackle on the thread there. And now I'm just going to catch it in with the thread. Just make sure that you get it tied off towards where the thread and hackle are. Once you got it tied off back there, tighten up, you can trim. And now we're gonna finish off the hackle stack. So I'm gonna put my finger in the thread again. I'm just gonna pull all these hackles back. Just stroke them back. Then I'm just gonna bring the thread down, see where it's sitting. I'm gonna stroke them back. And it's good. So now I'm gonna just catch that thread in. And now what you gotta do is you gotta pull on that thread and tighten that hackle down. Then just tie that off. And we're gonna go right into the whip finish. I have a great whip finish video. I have a full length one you can watch. I also have a short, it's only 40 seconds or so, to learn how to whip finish. So tighten that up. I'm going to snip the thread. Now I'm going to pull my hackles out of the way and get the thread loop snipped. And that's the blue crush, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Johnny Utah. Make sure you tie this fly up and fish it. That's a real deadly fly for sure. It's done me great for a lot of years. Thanks for watching Fly Vision. Please like and subscribe and share.